Sketch couple thumbnails of possible composition. Consider length of words, their ascended, descended, and repetitive elements. Make sure that they complement each other. Try out different baseline direction and orientation of the page. Composition is like a puzzle. It will work when you have all elements at their right places. When you found general look of your composition, start brightening it with Pilot. Use space between letters efficiently, and whole word will look unified and intense. But don't squash them together, they'll look dirty. Rewrite your composition, altering a couple parts of it, not all of them. Change size and complexity of letters from big and sophisticated to small and simple ones. Letters that work good enough goes to your next attempts. After a couple sketches, stop and find out which parts of your composition works, which doesn't. Art will look beautiful automatically when you solve all of its problems. Sometimes you want to ignore rather than deal with them, which makes the whole process much more challenging. Make your composition work, then focus on details. Attention to them is what distinguishes mediocre work from a good one. Finished work should look complete, clear, and accurate. Complete means that you successfully solved all of its problems. Clear means that letters are readable, sharp, not dirty, and have balanced amount of space around and in between them. Accurate, that you thought through every part of your work, so it doesn't look like a random mess. Most rules you'll apply and master intuitively from practice. Rules are like roads, they are a limitation that helps you to reach your destination faster. If you can achieve better results without applying any rules, go for it. Think what you want in the end beforehand. It'll save your time. Understand what you should do to make it happen. For example, you're making a t-shirt print. What printing size limitations? Should letters be small or big ones? What colors better to use? What composition will be more beneficial? What type of graphics? Clean sharp vector or highly detailed raster? Answer all essential questions beforehand, or waste even more time fixing what you've done later.